Good day, everyone. Mabuhay. I am Grace Alpama, a first-year student taking up Bachelor of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management. Today, I would like to share my thoughts about my role in a globalized world. For me, globalization means the connection and interaction among countries through the exchange of ideas, products, cultures, and technologies. It makes the world more open and united. One positive effect of globalization that I observe is how it provides access to information and opportunities. For example, through the internet, I can learn from other cultures, study global topics, and connect with people from different parts of the world. However, one negative effect is the loss of cultural identity. Sometimes, we tend to forget our own traditions and values because we adapt too much to other cultures or trends seen online. As a responsible global citizen, I believe it is important to use the benefits of globalization wisely. I can contribute positively by providing digital responsibility and showing respect for cultural diversity. One specific action I can take is using social media to spread awareness about sustainability and Filipino values, encouraging others to appreciate our culture while staying connected to the global community. To end, I believe that in this interconnected world, our small actions can create a big difference. As the saying goes, think globally, act locally. Thank you, and may we all continue to make positive contributions to our global society.